Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I will be making some chicken strips in the air fryer. In here I have some chicken breading, and then over here I have some chicken breading and water. So what I'm going to do is mix this chicken up because I seasoned it. So I seasoned it already. I just need to get the seasoning incorporated. Okay. So over here, my air fryer was heating up, but I pulled it out so that it wouldn't be too hot. So I'm just gonna pop that back in and wait for that ready light to pop on. And once that ready light pops on, I know that I can start adding my chicken. So while I'm waiting for the ready light to come on, I'm gonna start breading my chicken. Okay, so let me grab a glove over here, and then I will get started breading. So I have my glove on, and I'm gonna go put the chicken in the wet and then in the dry. So I just want this to heat up a little bit, and then I'm gonna pull my tray out and just set it in the sink, and then as I bread them, I'll just lay them down. I won't cook all of these tonight. Just gonna cook a few, and I really just want to try out this technique in the air fryer and see how it comes out. I'm not gonna spray any oil on it or anything. I just want to see how it cooks with the breading in there. So this is really a test. Let me just check and see if the air fryer is ready. Yes, it is. So as you can see, the light is ready. So I'm just gonna take this tray and just set it over here, and then I'm gonna proceed to dipping chicken. So I got a piece, drop it in the wet mixture, and then toss it in the dry. Same, get another piece, drop it in the wet mixture, toss it in the dry. So let's get these covered. So I feel like I can get 2 more in here. I'm going to toss 2 in my wet mixture. And then shake up the dry. And toss it in the dry. And then I'll get 1 more in there. So I'll get that all covered. And that is how the chicken looks once it's breaded. So I have the chicken, and I'm going to place it in the air fryer. I'm going to let it go for about 5 minutes, then I'll check in on it and see what it's looking like. So my timer has went off. I put my broccoli on, that'll be outside, and then now I can check and see how these are made. So they still pretty much look the same. So I'm just going to put them back in here for 5 more minutes. So after the next 5 minutes, I'm going to probably turn them over so they can cook on the other side. Okay, so now it's time for me to check on this chicken again, and this time I'm going to flip it, okay? This out. So I didn't use any oil. Look what's happening. It's sticking. Yeah, so this is definitely looking like a fail. Let's see though. Pop these back in for about 10 more minutes because they're basically done. I'm just trying to crisp them up. Yeah, this is a fail without oil for sure. So even though I wasn't really pleased with what I saw when I just checked it a few minutes ago, I'm gonna check it again and see how it's coming along. So it looks like they're trying to crisp up. They're trying. I'm gonna just let them go, do their thing. But I'm not really pleased. These do not look very good to me. So let's see what's going on. Starting to look a little better. I'm really not super satisfied, but it is starting to look a tad bit better than before. I did flip these over. This is how they're looking. I'm still not 100% pleased with the results because I did not add oil, and that definitely makes a difference. So next time, definitely need to use cooking spray. So this is what happens when you don't use any spray, any oil. I'm not sure how they taste, but they do not look appetizing to me. So I'm just going to let it go until it's off, and then I'll be done with these. So this is how they turned out. Don't like how they look. Probably not going to eat them. Thank you for watching my chicken strip fail video.